Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 3 low competition, high demand Amazon KDP keywords to help you get started today. I'm going to show you the resources where to get the interiors from. I'm going to give you ideas and I'm going to give you the exact keywords that you need to include in your title or 7 keyword slots. So let's get started. Before we get started, subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned for income reveals, for Amazon KDP keyword review as well, and also helping you to make money through other ways such as Vocal and Medium.com. Let's get started with our first keyword for the day. And our first keyword has a keyword niche score of 63 and it is books to help kids make good choices. Total results is amazing, under 500, and the total results is 252. Average price is $16.38. It is on the higher side because we're dealing with books mostly to do with medium content, as in there will be images and text in most of the books under this niche, but that doesn't require you to only publish medium and high content books under this niche. You can post and you can publish and create creative writing prompts under this niche. You can create activity books, coloring books, small short children's storybooks as well, using this niche right here. So it's dedicated to helping kids make good choices. So you can target your books for girls, you can niche down to boys, you can niche down to teenagers, you can niche down to specific ages such as from 5 to 7, 3 to 4, as well as from 8 to 10, and many more as well. So there's a lot of potential to niche down under this wonderful keyword right here. Now, the way I will be handling this keyword is I will create, first of all, a short children's storybook. And if you want to know the exact formula and the exact strategy I use to create a paperback and ebook children's storybook, stay tuned and comment in the comment section below so I can dedicate a full video showing you step by step how I go about creating a children's storybook in Canva using the images that are available for commercial use, and also how I convert this same book from a paperback to a ebook that will be eligible for both individual sale as well as a KDP select specific royalties for each page read. So let's have a look at this keyword right here, and most of the books are children's storybooks. Don't let that scare you, because there'll be activity books is in here as well, such as this one. It is ranking 11,640 and it is a positive behavior activity for kids ages 4 to 8. So what will be there is fun and engaging exercises to help children make better choices at home and at school. We're going to go ahead and open this book right here, not in a way to copy, but more as seeking inspiration so we can see what's really inside this book and how we can do that. This is more of a survival guide for kids with behavior challenges, and they have a couple of really good keywords right here that we'll also look into. Now, this is on another workbook for kids, which includes activities and prompts. The way to go about this, if you don't want to create a children's story book, you can also create a coloring book that will maybe include some quotes or some affirmations to help kids make better choices. You might also want to include or create a planner or a journal that helps kids make better choices using creative writing prompts. And there's so much ideas and so much ways you can go about. So let's go ahead and open our first example under this keyword, and it has a paperback priced at $9.17, and we'll go ahead and look at the interior right here. Just waiting for this to load. As it is loading, we'll be also having a look at the number of pages, 132 pages for children 5 to 8 years old. So we'll go ahead and look at the pages that are right here. This is a wonderful cover, very simple, very short pattern style. And also we have an introduction right here about what the activity book is about. We have a contents page because this is more of a medium book, a medium KDP book that has specific chapters for little things, getting long, and big feelings as well. This is more of a message to the parents, and we just want to scroll down and see how is there any activities and what kind of activities there are. For example, there are some prompt activities about drawing, writing, and playing and imagining. You can go ahead and just include line pages and sheets in between the activities to allow space for the child to draw, to color in, to doodle, to express themselves and their feelings, and really process what is needed to make better choices. So turn on your creativity hat and start to work and look for ideas to help you get started. My apologies, I'm just going to turn this off as we continue, and let's head to our second keyword for the day. And the second keyword is books to help kids with confidence, and this branches out from the first keyword, all got to do with books to help children with specific things such as confidence, such as separation anxiety that we discussed in the last video, such as making good choices. And this keyword here sits in a beautifully high keyword niche score of 58 and a total result of 1066. Average price is $10.93. Also we have here the mindful activity books for children. Here we've got some short stories, we've got a couple of books about affirmations to help children with confidence. So you can go about it the same way as you do with the first keyword. You can create a prompt journal with lined sheets inside. You can create affirmations book, you can create coloring book or an activity book, or even go about, if you're feeling really creative and expressive, you can talk about different kind of activities and different kinds of things that parents and caretakers might be willing to do with children to help with confidence and confidence boosting. So we're going to have a look at the last keyword for the day, and the last keyword is books to help kids with nightmare, and the keyword niche score is 61, total results of 532. A lot of potential right here. The average price sits down at $11.93. It's a wonderful niche that expands from the two first niches that we talked about. The same applies here, so go ahead and just be creative. This one is more of a small children's book that is about bedtime meditations for kids. Just a set of meditations for kids to do with bedtime to help them really relax and kind of process their feelings, their emotions, and hopefully avoid nightmares as well, and give them confidence to sleep on their own without any trouble. So I want you to really think deep about this wonderful niche that expands to so much more right here, and there's also a lot of potential to expand. For example, right here I've got books to help kids with, I'm going to take the nightmares away, and we have books to help kids with divorce, anger, anxiety, emotion, dyslexia, speech, separation anxiety, trauma, autism, so much more that you can expand with, and you can even create a full series about this. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel as we start to talk about further KDP low content, high demand niches that have low competition. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.